After 50, many people start noticing something they never expected. Getting up from a chair feels a little harder. Carrying groceries feels heavier. Walking upstairs does not feel as effortless as it once did. And while many people think this is simply a normal part of getting older, there is something important happening inside the body that most people never learn about. Starting around midlife, adults can gradually lose muscle mass and strength over time. This process is known as sarcopenia. But here is the good news. Your body does not suddenly stop being able to maintain muscle because you get older. Your muscles still respond to the right signals. And one of the most important signals comes from the food you eat, especially your first meal of the day, because breakfast is not just about filling your stomach. For adults over 60, breakfast can be an opportunity to provide your muscles with the protein and nutrients they need to support strength and healthy aging. And today we are going to talk about one simple food that has gained attention from researchers because of its unique combination of protein quality, nutrients, and convenience: Greek yogurt. But before we explain why Greek yogurt can be such a valuable addition to a healthy breakfast, we need to understand what changes inside your muscles as you age. After 60, the body becomes less efficient at using protein compared with when you were younger. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. In simple terms, your muscles may need a stronger signal from your diet and lifestyle to respond the same way they once did. The amount of protein that worked well for you at 40 may not provide the same muscle-building response decades later. This does not mean your body has stopped working. It means your muscles need more attention. The type of protein matters. The quality of the protein matters. And the way you combine nutrition with movement matters. One important nutrient researchers focus on is an amino acid called leucine. Leucine acts like a signal that helps activate the process of muscle protein synthesis. This is the natural process your body uses to repair and maintain muscle tissue. And this is where Greek yogurt becomes interesting, because it provides high-quality dairy protein in a simple food that many people can easily add to their daily routine. In the next section, we will look at exactly why Greek yogurt stands out and how you can build a muscle-supporting breakfast around it. So why does Greek yogurt receive so much attention when it comes to supporting muscle health after 60? The answer starts with its protein. Protein is made up of smaller building blocks called amino acids. These amino acids are what your body uses to repair and maintain muscle tissue. But as we age, getting enough high-quality protein becomes even more important because our muscles do not respond as strongly as they once did. Greek yogurt is different from many regular yogurt products because of the way it is made. During the straining process, much of the liquid is removed. This creates a thicker yogurt with a higher concentration of protein. A typical serving of plain Greek yogurt can provide around 15 to 20 grams of protein, depending on the brand and serving size. That makes it a convenient way to add more protein to your morning routine. But protein amount is only part of the story. The quality of the protein matters too. Greek yogurt contains complete dairy protein, which provides all the essential amino acids your body needs. It also contains leucine, which is one of the amino acids involved in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Think of protein as the material your body uses to maintain muscle, and think of leucine as one of the signals that helps tell your body that those materials are available. This is one reason researchers have studied dairy proteins and their relationship with muscle health in older adults. But there is another advantage of Greek yogurt that makes it practical. It is easy to eat. Many people struggle with breakfast because they choose foods that are low in protein: a bowl of cereal, a piece of toast with jam, a sweet pastry. These foods may provide energy, but often do not provide the amount of protein your muscles need to support healthy aging. Replacing a lower protein breakfast with a protein-rich option like plain Greek yogurt can be a simple improvement. Now, not all Greek yogurt products are the same. The best choice for supporting muscle health is usually plain Greek yogurt without added sugar. Flavored yogurts can sometimes contain large amounts of added sugar, which may not fit well into a balanced diet. You can naturally improve the taste by adding foods that provide extra nutrients. For example, berries can add fiber and beneficial plant compounds. Chia seeds or ground flax seed can add fiber and healthy fats. A small handful of walnuts or almonds can add texture along with additional nutrients. Together, these ingredients create a balanced breakfast that provides protein, fiber, and healthy fats. But there is one more important point. Food alone does not maintain muscle. Your muscles need a reason to stay strong, and that reason comes from movement. In the next section, we will look at how to combine Greek yogurt with simple daily habits that support strength, balance, and healthy aging. Now let's talk about how to build a Greek yogurt breakfast that supports healthy aging. The goal is not to create a complicated meal plan. The goal is to make one simple change that you can actually continue. Start with a serving of plain Greek yogurt. Depending on your nutritional needs and appetite, this can be around 3/4 of a cup to 1 cup. Choose a type that fits your lifestyle. Some people prefer lower-fat options, while others may enjoy full-fat Greek yogurt because it can help with taste and satisfaction. The most important thing is choosing a product that is high in protein and low in added sugar. Now add foods that complement the yogurt. A handful of berries is a simple choice. Blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries provide fiber and plant compounds that support overall health. You can also add chia seeds or ground flax seed. These small additions provide fiber and healthy fats, which can make the meal more satisfying. A small portion of nuts, such as walnuts or almonds, can add extra nutrients and create a more balanced breakfast. The result is a meal that combines protein, fiber, and healthy fats in one simple bowl. But there is another question many people have. What if you cannot eat dairy? Some people have lactose intolerance or simply prefer not to include dairy in their diet. In that case, there are other protein-rich breakfast options. Cottage cheese is another dairy food that provides high-quality protein. Eggs are another excellent option because they contain complete protein and important nutrients. For people who prefer plant-based choices, foods like tofu can also contribute protein to a balanced breakfast. The important lesson is not that one food is the only answer. The lesson is that your muscles need regular access to quality protein as you age. Greek yogurt is simply one convenient option that makes meeting that goal easier. However, there is one mistake many people make. They focus only on protein and forget about movement. Your muscles are designed to respond to activity. Even simple exercises can send a powerful message to your body that your muscles are still needed. Walking regularly, doing gentle strength exercises, practicing balance movements. These habits work together with good nutrition. Think of it this way. Protein provides the building materials. Movement provides the signal. Together, they help create the environment your body needs to maintain strength as you get older. So if you are over 60 and looking for a simple place to start, your morning breakfast may be one of the easiest opportunities to support your muscles. A bowl of plain Greek yogurt may seem simple, but simple habits repeated consistently can make a meaningful difference over time. In the final section, we will bring everything together and talk about the most important message to remember about protecting your strength after 60. As we finish today's video, remember this. Getting older does not mean giving up your strength. Your body is always adapting to the signals you give it, the foods you choose, the way you move, the habits you build every day. Small choices may seem insignificant when you look at one single day, but over months and years, those choices become the foundation of how you feel and function. Greek yogurt is not a magic solution. No single food can prevent every change that comes with aging. But choosing a protein-rich breakfast can be one valuable step towards supporting your muscles and giving your body the nutrients it needs. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. A healthier breakfast tomorrow, a little more movement today, a commitment to taking care of your body at every stage of life. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried Greek yogurt as part of your breakfast routine? Or what is your favorite protein-rich breakfast? Your experience could inspire someone else in our community. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to Prime Health Insights for more evidence-based health information designed for healthy aging. Thank you for watching. Take care of your health and your strength, and I will see you in the next video. Before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have medical conditions or specific health concerns, it is always best to speak with a qualified healthcare professional.